guys, this is Katrina and I'd like to welcome you back to my channel if you're an old-time subscriber, and I'd like to say welcome if you are new here. And in this video, I'm going to be reviewing a few products from As I Am's Restore and Repair product line. This product line features Jamaican Black Castor Oil. I was really intrigued at this particular line. Maybe the packaging had something to do with it as well, but there was one product in this line that I was really curious about. It is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Water. It has Jamaican Black Castor Oil, vitamin C and vitamin E in it, and this is what that product looks like. And I like the fact that it has a little spray bottle. So I'm going to be using this product instead of getting a water bottle with water in it if my hair starts to dry out, because that is what the directions say to use it as. It says to use daily to re-wet dry hair or use before styling to refresh moisture content, strengthen and detangle fibers, spray generously and shake well before use. So that is what I'm going to be using instead of my water bottle. The product that I've used already is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Moisturizing Mask, and this is what that looks like. And the directions for this particular product is to apply a generous amount to hair strands, working the product in from root to tip, leave on for 15 to 20 minutes and rinse thoroughly. Now, I've already used this deep conditioner while I was in the shower, and I will say that the consistency of this deep conditioner is a very thick, creamy, almost whipped-like consistency. This is how much I used. And as you can see like the consistency of it. It's kind of like a almost creamy like consistency. It's very smooth. And I will say that this product had a good amount of slip and moisture in it. It was easy for me to detangle my hair. So I would definitely use this deep conditioner again. And it could possibly be a repurchase as well. So the next product is the leave-in conditioner from the same line, of course. And this is what that looks like. And I've already applied my leave-in in the shower. I'm just going to show you what the consistency is. That's what it looks like. So it is kind of creamy, like a moisturizing, and it's right on the verge of being thick, but it's like right in the middle of thin and thick. It's very moisturizing, and this leave-in conditioner kind of puts me in the mind of the Mielle Organics pomegranate and honey leave-in conditioner. And I will also say that all these products so far smell the same. It's like this light fruity scent, not really like fruity as in tropical, but I like smell like a hint of fruitiness in it. But the smell is not overbearing or anything. It smells good, but it's just not like a strong scent. So like I said, the leave-in is already in my hair, so I'm just going to, well, before I do that, I want to show you the product that I'm going to be using to style my hair. And just gonna take this tape off because this is how it came packaged. I got these products from Sally's. I think it was like a couple of Saturdays ago. They had this whole line 50% off, so I immediately took advantage of that. So the styling product that I'm going to use is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Curling Cream, and this is what the container looks like. And I will say that the gold lettering on these products is really pretty, and it goes great with the packaging, but it is really hard to read what it says. So I'm just basically getting my information from their website. So the directions for the curling cream is that You are to apply the leave-in conditioner from this line liberally throughout clean, detangled hair. While the hair is still damp to wet, smooth the curling cream onto small sections from root to tip. Define each section by gliding hair between your thumb and forefinger, rotating the ends around your fingertips to form a coil finish. So to me, it's like you're supposed to do finger coils with this. That could take a while, so we'll see about that. Then it says to spray hair with the Jamaican Black water if it begins to dry before you are done. Air dry or use a hood dryer on low setting, and after the hair is completely dry, fluff, separate, or arrange coils in curls as desired. So I'm just going to go ahead and open this up, and it has this little protective cover on it. And we're just going to get the excess off of that. And yeah, this product smells the same as the others. Okay, so this is what the product is looking like. This is definitely a cream. It's very thick. It's kind of like stretchy. Very smooth. See, it has some little stringiness to it. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and take my little twists out. So this is what my hair is looking like with the leave-in. Hair looks very, very moisturized and defined. So yeah, so far so good. My hair looks really, really good and moisturized. Okay, so let's go ahead and get some of the styling cream. I'm just gonna start off with this much here. Just gonna rake it through. It feels very, very moisturizing. It has a lot of slip. As you can see, it is definitely defining my curls. Looks very good, very defined. All right, let's go ahead and do this other side. I'm gonna take about the same amount and apply that. Now I'm going to be honest with y'all, I don't know if I'm going to be like doing this little finger coiling for every section of my hair, but we'll see. Okay, so as you can see, I'm starting to get like some frizz here. So I think I'm gonna break out the Jamaican Black Castor Oil water, see what that does. And here we go. Okay, alrighty. So that, interesting. That took care of the frizz that I was getting. Okay, so I am done applying this curling cream to my hair, and I can already tell that this wash and go is going to be very, very big and voluminous. So I am really interested to see how it's going to look and feel once it's dry, being that I didn't use like a gel or anything. Like, I'm curious to see if it's going to have like any type of cast, gel cast that is. And so yeah, this is what my hair is looking like. So yeah, I'm just gonna stop playing in my hair, and I'm going to let it air dry, and I'll be back to let you guys see what my results look like. Okay, so it is the next day and my hair has completely dried, and the only thing I did to my hair last night was just sleep in a big satin bonnet, and this is what we have here. And as you can see, there's shrinkage. So I am going to try to experiment with something that I've never done before, and that is, well, I've done it before, but not this particular way. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and stretch my hair, which I've done before, but I want to use a blow dryer to do it. Now I will say that I am not a fan of this section right here, only because of how it is in my face, but that's my own fault because that's how I styled it. Okay, so I am done stretching my hair with using the blow dryer, and I must say, like, I am really loving the way that my hair is looking. It looks fuller. It has the length to it as well. It also still has the curl definition. So I also wanted to add that I also purchased the Cowash within this line as well. I didn't use it this time because my hair needed a good shampoo. I may use that on the next go round, but this is what that particular product looks like there. So yeah, that pretty much concludes this video. Let me know if you've tried these products before and what your thoughts were. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and do so. I would greatly appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.